Quick blanched lettuce 5 minutes side dish. Bring water to a boil, toss in a pinch of salt plus a drizzle of oil. Blanch lettuce for 15 seconds, drain fast and arrange on a plate. In a bowl, add minced garlic and shredded red pepper. Pour hot oil over them, mix light soy sauce and a tiny sugar pinch, drizzle and dig in. Give it a go today. Quick and tasty breakfast. Blueberry cheesy toast. Grab one slice of thick toast and press a small dent in the center. Mix 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then pour the mixture into the dent. Top with blueberries and a sprinkle of shredded cheese for extra creaminess. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Serve and savor the juicy, cheesy goodness. Super tender braised drumsticks. Boil drumsticks with ginger, scallions, wine for 3 minutes. Then take out, stir-fry scallion sections, ginger slices, star anise, bay leaves, and Sichuan peppercorns until fragrant. Then add the blanched drumsticks, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt, and honey. Add hot water to cover the drumsticks completely. Cover the pot, boil on high heat, then switch to low and simmer for 25 minutes. Crank up the heat to thicken the sauce, and you're ready to serve. Give this recipe a try. Kid-approved beef fried rice, simple to make, quick to finish. Heat wok, pour in oil, then add marinated minced beef. Turn to medium heat and stir-fry quickly until it changes color. Toss in green onion whites, diced long beans, and corn. Stir briefly, drizzle water, and simmer until beans are fully cooked. Add a bowl of rice and quickly break up any clumps. Finally, season with a spoonful of light soy sauce, stir well, and it's ready to serve. Go ahead and give it a go. This tomato, egg and beef stir-fry is a total winner with rice. Beef slices, add ground pepper, light soy sauce, oyster sauce and starch. Mix well. Then give a spray of peanut oil. Marinate for 10 minutes. Crack 4 eggs into a container, whisk them well, and set aside. Heat a wok with oil, stir-fry the beef over high heat until just browned, then scoop out. Reheat the wok with a little oil, quickly stir-fry the eggs until set, then remove. Stir-fry chopped green onions and minced garlic until fragrant. Add sliced tomatoes and stir-fry until soft and mushy, releasing their juices. Season with salt, sugar, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Toss well. Finally, add the cooked beef and eggs. Stir-fry rapidly to coat evenly. Sprinkle with chopped green onions, and it's done. Super easy to make, you have to give it a try.